respected Swamiji, may I address the rest as ladies and gentlemen, because most of you may be students, but you are on your way from an individual to an employee. That's into the term. Yesterday at about 8:30 in the night, I got a 5-line message through WhatsApp. I thought it's interesting to read. Let's just read it out. It's just 5 sentences between a talk between a mother and her son who is studying in the first year. It's in Hindi, but follow me. मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊँ, the son to the mother. The mother to the son. क्यों? जॉब करूँ. Go for job. क्लास 1 में पढ़ रहे हो और जॉब करूँगा. The student to the mother. Very unexpected answer. KG, UKG और LKG लड़कियों को मैं ट्यूशन classes दे दूँगा. When I read it, I found it to be an original answer. When I thought over it after a few minutes, I understood this could be the future in education and employment. You may be wondering how can that happen? 3rd standard, 4th standard students speaking about it. This probably is a harbinger of what is going to come. For example, when we were looking for a job, we had to study vigorously, whether you're good or bad, and then write an exam and get a job. Now, last year, I did an example of, I'm just making few isolated incident, but this goes too far. I was asked after a campus recruitment selection was over, one of the DCA students, girls, I said, you seem to be very happy you got a job. No, sir, I'm very happy I got a job. But sir, now we got an exam, some semester exam. It is like the response where you learn and then you get a job. Now you get a job and then you learn. There is nothing wrong with it. Times have changed. We have to accept changes. There are also students who become very philosophical and start quoting patriotic and quoting Indian leaders like Nehruji and Gandhiji, not necessarily the political wisdom or the statesmanship. One of them said, Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji ने बोला था once कि Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Now the students have started saying that campus recruitment is our birthright and we shall have it. There is nothing wrong with that either. Like Gopalakrishnan was executive director of Tata Sons always said, he spoke to IIM Bangalore and said, you see, you deserve before you desire. You desire a salary of 1 lakh, you check yourself and see whether I deserve that salary. In my knowledge, all the aspects which are being looked into by the industry. Things are going to happen, we are not blaming the students, probably it's a vicious circle. Campus recruitment came up, teaching semester system, all changed, the teaching systems got split into semesters, etc. And now most of these studies are being done, as Parmeshwar himself was hinting, not exactly for learning but for employment. There's nothing wrong with it in one sense of the term. Now, the systems being so, while I mentioned about these two things, Professor Parmeshwar, probably his experience in the industry and his vision of future was very evident, is very evident when he probably thought of forming a division like corporate and industrial relations where specified trainings, though in the beginning was given on subjects which gradually grew in numbers like aptitude, verbal, soft skills, etc. I really salute, along with all of this, your vision of the future and setting up a thing like this, which I am reasonably sure no other university in India has. As I have got a number of colleges with management consultants, including NIT, with Mahoy Randstand for firefighting sort of training session just before the campus recruitment starts. Here it is built into a system, into the examination system, on a slow and steady process. I always say, Malayalam, or you feel that the neighbor is better than you, sort of thing. You should know the value of what is being given here in a basis which probably does not give direct returns by way of money in that sense of the term. I, on behalf of all the students who have studied here and who have got employment, sincerely thank you, sir, Professor Parmeshwar, for your long-term planning and the governance of it. If there is governance, there has to be management. In this particular role, if the governance was being done by Parameshwaran sir, the management was being done and is being done by Dr. Krishna Kumar. Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. Unless he takes an initiative in building what is there in governance, in plan, into a system in a college, it is not practical. I am not comparing one institutional with others, but I have often heard, though not grumbling, at least murmuring, that there are difficulties in getting time allotted for the CAR related subjects in training in colleges of Ahmedabad itself. I am not blaming anybody, probably the system is different. But one thing which I had mentioned even in the meetings at one or two meetings at Etimadai was that here it is built into a system. We don't have to check when are we getting an hour to do it. It is built into a system in the third, fourth and fifth semester for the UGs and even to the PGs where it is not in the credit system. And that effect is being shown even by the heads of the department and the faculties here. We have had sessions together with visual media and probably commerce where we have jointly together and decided that if we do a presentational skill, for example, it would be better if we do it with somebody when it is being done on a subject domain, especially in visual media or other areas, where we can complement each other's efforts for ultimately bringing in some good effect. So I, on behalf, again, all the students who have gone here and who are studying here, thank you, Dr. Krishna Kumar, for being a role model in this aspect of the game, in making it more practical, which reaches the level of students. Devotion can come in many ways. The goal is to manifest each human soul is potentially divine. I am quoting the exact words of 5 lines in Vivekananda's collected books, collected speeches which I have with me. It says the goal is to manifest this divinity within oneself. Achieve this divinity through yoga, through prayers, through work. The means is all secondary. There are a number of people in Arts and Science College here, without mentioning designations, who have changed this place in a matter of 2 weeks to what you see now. I had my own doubts whether it could be done with the human resources, number of people available here. But the dedication which they have done this job of setting up this place and the other one is marvelous. To look at it may not be heaven, but it is made into a heaven from what it was earlier to an extent sheerly out of devotion, not because of the money being paid to them per hour or because of the remuneration they get from it. That devotion is to Amma properly, and that devotion comes through their work, and that also matters a lot. So whatever shape it is in this, I, on behalf of all the staff of CAR here, thank each and every one of you, members of the faculty and the heads of the department and the supporting staff, especially people like Kannan and supporting staff from visual media who has been livewire and who has been a connecting link between various departments in the daily execution of plans of CAR. I thank on behalf of all CAR here, each and every one of you for making us what we are today. Thank you.